Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add numbers to your keyboard on Motorola Defy. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our settings. From here, scroll all the way down and find System. Here click on Languages and Input. Move to your on-screen keyboard. Here select the keyboard that you're currently using. For me, and probably you too, it's gonna be Gboard. Now go for the preferences and here enable number row. Now if we open keyboard on this phone and start writing anything, we can see the number row right here, and we don't need to move to the number section. Now let's try disabling that same setting. And let's see how it looks like without it. There's no number row right here, as you can see, and in order to put some numbers you need to move to the number section. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.